Dear students, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 2, and as I have already requested you in my previous video also, kindly watch the whole video and try to practice these sentences which I am going to explain you just now. So let's begin our English speaking part 2. So friends, let's start our general English speaking part 2, in which I am going to continue the same topic that I am going to discuss about daftar or office related sentences in our English language. That how we have to speak when we are going to any office, and if we want to meet any person, any seniors, government employee, private sector employee, if we want to meet to him in office, etc., then how we have to interact with him. So let's start. Now the first sentence is यह पीएनबी का चेक है. So in English it means this is a PNB check. PNB means Punjab National Bank check, or any government bank or any private bank you can name here. So this is a simple present type sentence, because in this sentence it is basically implying that यह PNB का check है means this is a Punjab National Bank or PNB check. Okay, you must have seen in day-to-day life, friends, when we go to the bank. So we normally go to the bank. We normally see the checks of bank checks. So there is written on it that this is a Punjab National Bank check or it is a State Bank check, etc. So the bank name is written on the check, etc. So now the next sentence is यह क्लर्क अफसरों के मुंह लगा हुआ है. So in English it means this clerk is a favorite of the officers. So friends, this is also a present type sentence. In this sentence basically the सेंटेंस इज इम्प्लाइंग दैट कि ये जो पर्सन है, जो क्लर्क है, ये ऑफिसरों का फेवरेट है, मतलब उनका बहुत प्रिय है. ही इज एन एप्पल ऑफ देयर आई. सो इट नॉर्मली हैपेंस, फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन वी विजिट टू एनी ऑफिस एक्सेट्रा, वी सी इन डे टू लाइफ इन ऑफिस एनीवेयर दैट सम पर्सन आर वेरी मच क्लोज टू देयर सीनियर्स एक्सेट्रा. दे आर वेरी मच एप्पल ऑफ देयर आई because they love them, that they love to do buttering of seniors, etc. So they prefer them everywhere. So in this case also, this clerk is a favorite of the officers means ये क्लर्क अफसरों के मुंह लगा हुआ है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज तुम्हें कितने दिनों की छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मींस फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज वुड यू हैव टू टेक लीव. सो इट इज ए फ्यूचर टाइप इंटरोगेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस, बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस द पर्सन इज बेसिकली आस्किंग टू इट्स एम्प्लॉय कि तुम्हें कितने दिनों की छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी. सो फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज वुड यू हैव टू टेक लीव. It happens, friends, when we want to plan leave and we want to take leave, our seniors, managers, etc., they normally ask from us कि तुम्हें कितने दिनों की छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी, because I have to divide the work in the team according to their skills. If you will take more leave, then I have to plan my schedule, etc. So this is also related to that sentence. तुम्हें कितने दिनों की छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी means for how many days would you have to take leave. आजकल काम का जोर है. So in English it means work pressure is very heavy these days. So friends, this is also a present, simple present type sentence. We must have seen, friends, during festive time, etc., when we go to a nearby shop, and at our offices also, we see a lot of work pressure on ourselves. Our seniors demand that please complete this task in a limited time frame, because demand is more and supply is more. So we have to work hard and we have to manage our time. So at that time, work pressure increases to every person. So in this sentence also, आजकल का काम का जोर है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मींस वर्क प्रेशर इज वेरी हैवी दीज डेज. मुझे टेलीफोन पर बात करनी है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मींस आई वांट टू मेक अ कॉल. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस सेंटेंस इज बेसिकली अ रिक्वेस्ट टाइप सेंटेंस, बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस द पर्सन इज बेसिकली रिक्वेस्टिंग टू अनदर पर्सन कि मुझे टेलीफोन पर बात करनी है. आई वांट टू मेक अ कॉल. सो इट नॉर्मली हैपेंस, फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन वी हैव फोन और मोबाइल एक्सेट्रा. इफ अनदर पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड अस or in front of us or nearby us, so if he doesn't have phone or mobile, he normally requests us, please can you give me your phone so that I can make a call to my family or my mother at my home. So we normally give him permission. You can take it, sure, it's no issue. So in this sentence also, मुझे टेलीफोन पर बात करनी है. So in English it means I want to make a call. साहब है is the boss in. So friends, in this sentence, basically this is a present interrogative type sentence, because in this sentence the person is trying to go into a office, etc., and he is basically asking from the gatekeeper, क्या साहब अंदर है, is the boss in. So friends, it normally happens when we go to any office, any private office or any government office or any shop, etc., or when we normally go, the gatekeeper is sitting outside the gate. We normally ask him कि क्या साहब अंदर है? Is the boss in? So he informs us that no, the boss is not present currently, he is outside, or he is having a meeting with his senior, or he will come around at this time, please wait for some more minutes, you can wait outside, if he comes then I will call you, you can meet him. So in this sentence also, sahab hai means is the boss in, so it is a present interrogative type sentence. यहाँ साइन कीजिए, so in English it means please sign here. So friends, we must have seen everywhere when we fill any document etc. So when any person of that particular firm or company comes, he basically guides us that please sign here, your sign is very important, please read this portion and you have to sign here because it is mandatory. Your sign will be will become a legal document that you have signed the check etc, anything etc. So it will become a legal document that you have the authorized liability that you have signed that document. So in this case also, यहाँ sign कीजिए means please sign here. So it is a request type sentence. So friends, this was the basic general English speaking part 2, in which I tried to explain you about daftar means office related sentences in our English language. So friends and students, kindly try to practice in your spare time. Try to talk with your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And ultimately, what will happen that day by day your confidence will improve, your personality will improve, and ultimately you will become a fluent and confident English speaking person in front of another person. And more you will practice, more confidence, English speaking skills and personality you will grow. So kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do support me. And have a nice day.